let's talk about mentoring and coaching at the deal level, right? Very simple, right? Asking a sales rep or a sales team, when we're trying to prepare them for a final presentation, or we're trying to prepare them for the next step, did we reach the real decision makers, or are we only talking to procurement? Are we talking to the people that have the ability to sign the check? What is the business case? Not the feature functions that you think they want, or not that they love you, but how will this impact their business? Number 2. Number 3, why now? Why does this customer say they need it now? And what are the ramifications of delaying or doing nothing? What alternate solutions are they considering besides us? Could they do this internally? Could they do this with another third party? What recommenders are they hearing from? What multiple solutions should we bring to the table? Is this budgeted, or do we need to create budget? Here's a scenario for you. Very, very good salespeople, great salespeople, are disciplined to work on budgeted projects only. And then go another level. The 1%ers, they create budget. They create such a justification for need that the customer goes and gets more budget. So understanding, is it budgeted, or does it require budget justification? The next step is, what are the next steps? What are you going to do next? Well, we're going to call them. We're going to go see them. Okay, what are we going to say? Who are we going to see? What's our position? And the last piece is, what could go wrong? What could go wrong? And get them to think that way. If you use this approach in every deal, and that becomes a tool, right? It becomes a method. We call it black hatting. You wear the black hat, not the white hat. And you ask all the tough questions. Now you're starting to use systems, and you're doing great coaching. Does that make sense?